happy birthday! So, ito na talaga guys, ang day ng birthday ko. But still, I don't want to miss my commitments. I have a class 2 to 5, 11 to 2, 2 to 5. So, I just give little sweets to my students and to the instructors, admin sa school where I am connected. And then, I waited for dinner sa mga cousins ko and friends. Pumunta kami sa Hatpalayok. And thank you, te. Ang ganda ng bouquet ko from Ate Marilyn. Diba nakaka-Disney Francis ang person. So, happy birthday from Hatpalayok. Before guys, may pasayaw pa sila. Good vibes. So, siguro, I don't know, it's been a while na nakabalik sa Hatpalayok. But I remember there were years magpasmura na yun. Talaga, dun sa Hatpalayok. O, diba? Chill na chill sa Tumayan. So, at least napalabas natin guys sa Tumayan. Isa lang yung labas. So, I have my cousin. Tingnan nyo lang yung cake guys from ate. So nice.
Gonna cake,
and other cake also with Vince and wifey. Guys, so nice. Thank you for the effort. Thank you for the time, the presents. Happy birthday to me. Minsan lang yan talaga guys. I really don't it's not a big deal talaga yung birthday.
Happy birthday!
I'm so happy this year, medyo maraming ganap. Last year, I've been like, chill lang.
Thank you.
So, we made a little set up kasi medyo yung Hatpalayok, ang dami ata na birthday guys. So, binigay lang cake. So, we made a little set up. Pinantahan ako ulit. And slicing of the cake. Diba? Parang ayaw kong i-slice ang cake. Tapos meron pa siyang set na guys na parang pang slice ng cake. Tapos meron pa siyang fork something. Parang hindi siya, may talaga siya real flower. Ganda, di ba? Just enough for the group. Thank you for the, bit-bit, pagbit-bit ng cake. Pampaswerte daw yun, dapat mga kumain. Oh.
Thank you.
So, yun lang guys. Thank you so much, Lord God, for the year. The year's not been smooth. It's tough. Ang daming challenges. Sometimes parang naisip ko pattern ng challenges, especially dealing with our work situation. But I'm still grateful. I can't complain. I wish lang I could do more on my situation. Sometimes guys, magka-midlife crisis ka talaga, which is I'm facing right now. But I'm really thankful. Ayan si ate. Every birthday, we are both August celebrants kami. Blowing the candles. All I wish is good health for me, for my family, for friends, and I hope my turning points or something, guys. I hope sana may tawag nun. I can't explain that much. I hope I have the courage to change the pattern. Ano ba? Basta. And this a gift, special gift from Tumarian. O diba? Ayaw pabuksan. Sabi niya, mahal niya ako. So, forever na niya ako mahalin. Sabi ko sa kanya, wala nang bitawan ha. Charot. So, yun. Sabi daw to have that lucky, mo daw, ang gift, yung wrapping niya. Sirain mo daw. Yun lang. Ang ganda. So, ngayon, tinulungan na niya ako, guys. Ang hirap niyang buksan. With letter pa yan, and then a surprise customized gift. Parang may idea na kasi ako niyan. It's may parang t-shirt siya na may naka-quotes. Kasi it's a friend o colleague ni Ate Marian, fine arts, and then hobby lang niya yan guys. to print, yung mga ano niya, mga artistic side. Ang ganda. Quotes, parang ano yan eh, you are enough. Yes guys, all of you are enough. So, maybe some of the people, you are not their cup of tea, so why not? Coconut. Wala tayong care. As long as wala tayong ano, diba? Inaapakan. Sige man lang kung charot. Pwede rin charot kayo. So, I'm very happy, overwhelmed. What I'll say lang is, thank you. You know, God gave me until more years to reach more of my dreams. Not only my dreams, for my family, for my friends, for the community. Yun. Not a selfish dreams. And of course, guys, hindi siya magpa-ulit, guys. Ang talented na. Si Akgaw, magpa-dili na siya, guys. Pugos-pugos ba? Tapos mukanta, dahil willing. Ayun. It was just a simple dinner. And then na-band. Ang galing niya ni ate, sobra. And Timayan. And it's a wrap. Thank you so much, Lord, for another years to look forward to. Guys, this is the flower that Ate gave me. So nice. This is the gang. Thank you so much for the time, for spending this day and more years to come. And this is a simple celebration back home. My family, my parents, akong mga nephews, and special guests nila. So that's how we give thanks, and I'm so happy. But still, you know, I wish I could celebrate one day my birthday back with my family in Philippines. I think more than 10 years na, guys. But to top it all, thank you so much, Lord Almighty, for another year. For another year of embracing lives, abundance, and graces. Thank you so much, Lord. Thank you.